everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have a project share for you guys. I've been wanting to make some tassels, and I thought what better way than to see if I can make a tassel out of this tassel trim, since I've been loving this trim lately. This is a trim that I got at Hobby Lobby, in case you guys are not familiar with the trim, and I'm sure they'll go on sale next week. So usually every other week, I think, yeah, they go on sale. So anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and try and see if I can make a tassel, and I did. So let me share what I came up with. So I had these cute little caps from Alina Craft. I will make sure I link that in the description box. But these are just little tassel caps, I guess, if that's the proper term. But anyway, so all I did was basically just, rolled my little tassel and then just put the cap on top, and used one of my lobster clasp from, I think, from Amazon. And then this is another Alina Craft charm. It came with the lot that she sent me. And isn't that cute? It's a little bird. But isn't that cute? It's so full, as you guys can see. It's a really cute tassel. I do wish that it was just a tad longer, but just because of the size of the cap right here. But other than that, I think it's just so adorable, and you can add it to, whatever project that you have. And then I did make a couple of those big ones. Let's see, where's the other one? Here's this one here, and I put a butterfly charm on this one. Really cute. So I made a couple of those. I think this one's even more full than that one. And then I had the smaller bead caps, or not bead caps, but the tassel caps. I have these from, I get these from Hobby Lobby when they go on sale. And I wanted to use my little bunny charm. Remember the bunny charm that I recently hauled? So I went ahead and made these, and they're so cute. And then I just put another little charm from, I think this one's also from Alina Craft, made with love. And yeah, so it's like my little Easter tassels. Isn't that cute? So for this one, I'm pretty sure I only used maybe 3 inches of the tassel. And in case you guys don't know how to make the tassel, I did just use Fabri-Tac. This is just a different container, but I used my Fabri-Tac, and I basically just, I don't even cut it off. I put a little glue here, just a little bit. I didn't want to use hot glue because I don't want to make it bulky. And then just basically just roll until you get to the size that you want, and the fullness that you want for the tassel. But you have to make it really tight. And then while I'm doing this, I just kind of check with my tassel top here, the cap, to see if it's gonna fit in there, just to see if it's the right size. And then I'll stop when I feel like it's the right size, and then I snip it off, or I put a little glue, hot glue, so that this doesn't unravel right here. And then I'll snip it with my scissors, and then just put the cap on. I put a little glue actually on the cap here. I'll put a little Fabri-Tac on the inside of this cap, and then I will go ahead and slide it in. And I make sure that it's nice and snug too. So I will just keep rolling this until I get the right fit for my little cap. So that's how I made it, and I think they came out so stinking cute. And I know I've also been seeing a lot of people hauling some beads from Hobby Lobby. I haven't had a chance. They're a really good price, and hopefully I can, find some too before they're gone. But I haven't had a chance to go back to Hobby Lobby. And honestly, I have so many beads, you guys, that I need to use up. I still have some beads from, I have like a few strands of these from Walmart that I had picked up, I think, last year. And they're really pretty, and they're, they're plastic, so It's not heavy at all to put on your projects, and they're nice and big. And I mean, I have other beads like my Jesse James beads that I've been holding on to. So really, yeah, the main thing is, you know, of course you want the beads that have like the larger holes. Like this one is pretty good. And I love how these little berry beads are. So yeah, I used a few of whatever beads I had in my stash that's about this size. And then, yeah, so for my next tassels that I'm going to show you guys, I did, you know, I did some beaded tassels. And I used also some twine, not twine, this is embroidery floss. That's what it is. I've been calling it floss and I just couldn't remember the proper term. Embroidery floss. I have a few that I had picked up from Daiso that I had never used, and so I thought, okay, let me bring those out. This one I might have picked up at Michael's, I'm not sure. But I just have a few of these that I hadn't used, and I've been wanting to make those kind of tassels. And then I also wanted to play around with some of the cotton yarn that I love this color, and I really love the tassel I made with this one. Of course, they're going to be a little bit chunkier and bigger, but I love this. And then this one too, which I had purchased because my friend Sophia, I think she told me about this one, and this one is Aunt Lydia's metallic crochet thread. So again, you can also use crochet thread, and they usually come like this, and you get a lot, so you can purchase this anywhere really. Michael's, I think Michael's has these too. Hobby Lobby is where I got, pretty sure I got this one at, gosh, I can't remember now. I think it was Hobby Lobby, because I'm sure Joann's also have them. But this one was clearance 82 cents at Hobby Lobby. And what else did I use? Oh, and I even tried these, and these are jute. I don't know, I just wanted to see how they would look. I was just experimenting and trying different kinds of, you know, yarn or different material. So this one's the jute, and I think I did a green one, which I'm not that crazy about it now that, you know, after I had made one. So I only made one. Although I do love this color, so I don't know, maybe I'll try it, but you guys will see. So yeah, that's what I did. So let me show you what I created. So with the yarn, I think these came out so cute, and I did use some of those Dollar Tree beads, the wooden beads. And I'm sorry if you guys are hearing noise in the background. My kids are watching their anime show, and yeah, so so anyway, so I thought these came out really cute, and I did follow a tutorial. When I was actually making these tassels, I saw my BFF, she posted a video, and I started watching it, and then she linked a channel of the tutorial that she watched to make her tassels. So anyway, I went ahead and kind of followed her tutorial, and made this one here, and I really love this beautiful blue. I'm just so in love with the blue. And then I made another one, so I think I might be making some more of these because these are actually my favorite out of everything that I made. So for this one, I did just use some of the beads from I had the light pink ones from Walmart, and really cute. So I put a jump ring, and then I used some of my clasp. So really, really cute. So those are the big ones. The jute, this is how this one came out. And so as you can see, it's a little, I don't know, my jute just, I don't know if it's the way it was wound, but you know, I don't know, I don't like the way it falls. It's a little too stiff. And then I put a resin little cat on it just to make it even more pretty, because I wasn't too crazy about, that's how it looks like though. if you didn't put the cat on there. And then I just used some of the berry beads that I have. And then since this one was green, I went ahead and put a 4-leaf clover, and this is a charm from Alina Craft. So I did use that. So aren't these cute? They did come out cute, so. But yeah, but if I was to choose, I would use the cotton yarn. I really like this. I don't know, maybe it's just the color, but I really like this. And I think I have this in different colors. I have a purple one and a pink one, so I'm going to try that. The other thing that I really liked also is this. Now this is really pretty. This one right here. And I got it in the silver, the ones with the silver flecks. Also the gold, which, let me see if I can find it for you, because I'll probably try to make some gold ones too. Here's the gold. So it's just like this one right here, except in gold. And then I did my beads. And this one I put the spacers that came with this. They're plastic spacers, but I thought it just looked really pretty because this is silver, you know, it has some silver on it, and really, really cute, right? So I made another silver one, this time using the other beads. And I didn't wind up the twine on this one for some reason, but I think I will go back and do that. But I did put a little bow on this one using one of my gingham bow from Hobby Lobby, and I put a little resin rose on that one just to, you know, make it look different. And then I really liked the white one too, the way these came out. And I wrapped this one with that silver. I just kind of wanted to see how that would look. And next time I think I'm going to actually mix. I don't have any more white ones though, but we'll see. I'll maybe mix this with it because it's so pretty. Look. I like the little specks of silver on there. So I made that one. And then I made this one right here. This one's kind of colorful. And I did use some trim. Oh, I think it's a Valentine's Day one that I had picked up. I don't know where. I don't remember. So I think this is Joann's actually. So I used this trim or ribbon around this one and use the other beads. And then here's a peach one, and I put another little, these resin pieces I got a while ago. It's in my stash, so I think I got it from an online store that, I think it was Art Attack Crafts. So anyway, I've had it in my stash forever, so those are the little tassels that I made. So I had so much fun making them, and as you can see, I made a few, but I really enjoyed making the different kinds of tassels. And again, here's the other ones. There's the other tassels that I made here. So yeah, let me know which one you guys liked best. They're really fun to make. And there's so many tutorials out there, but I will link the one that I followed, and link my BFF's video also, because you might want to see her tassels if you haven't yet. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!